Hello everyone, today is a brochure tour and we are going over the 1998 Lincoln Continental. This year of brochure from Lincoln was actually a really good year. They had some really nice photography and really nice designs actually. The Continental, they all have like this crinkle paper finish. Raised lettering here with the year and then the make and model, and a really nice glossy photo of the actual car in picture, and they all kind of fit the representation, so we're going to go over this. One of my favorite cars from Lincoln, especially from this era, is the Continental, and I love this glossy the glossy pages and this really nice print to it. And these all kind of told a story. Every page, every intro was different in all of them. So here has a quadrant of people that is very, very 90s. You got this cell phone here, the StarTAC flip phone. Basically, kind of what the customer of a Continental would be. I just think it's hilarious. Luxury need be ostentatious. Oh, it does have a flip page of a actually really pretty setting here. I don't know where it would be at. Nice waterfall here, and you can tell it's a long exposure here. A very 90s couple here, and this gold Continental looks really, really nice. To this translucent paper here. And you have a nice little grill detail page. A nice 2-page spread of a black one. A lot of different fold outs here. This shows a bunch of different luxury. I actually reviewed a Lincoln Continental of this generation, and it was really, really well loaded. It had the CD player, it also had the rescue system, and it also had the Lincoln telephone system in it. And there's an interior shot here in the medium graphite gray leather. Despite the fact that this car is 22 years old, this interior is still nice, and I can attest to that because when I drove it, it was really nice. Now, the one I drove was the luxury decor group, so it had two-tone gray. The inserts here were a darker graphite gray. Other than that, it looked pretty much the same as this car. And some more fold-outs with some blurbs. Some more interior details. A little driver's side dashboard view. Auto lamp delay. Rear seat cup holders. Analog clock. Lumbar support. Here's the black Continental in motion. This is all about smoothness and in control, and of course the Intec V8. 100,000 mile between service. Adjustable steering height. Alright, we're nearing the end here. The opposite side here folds out. Alright, and as I was talking about before, the personal security system. So you have the security tire system that warns you of tire pressure loss. Commonplace now. It was very new and very unique then. You've also got the programmable garage door opener, so home link basically. Rescue, Lincoln's version of OnStart. Everything was controlled in the overhead console. And all that kind of stuff. It also had all-speed traction control. Here is the ever important dimensions and specs. Lincoln commitment page. At a glance specifications as far as like layout and engine displacement and all that kind of stuff. Different transaxle or your transaxle type, axle ratio, different wheel selections, various options. So you had the driver select system. The vehicle I drove, and I'll put a link in the description for this video, actually had the driver select system, and the remote key fob actually had a 1-2 flip switch where you can do driver 1 and driver 2. JBL audio system, it had that as well. Heated front seats, of course it had that. This is the microphone for the rescue system. Looks almost like an iPhone or a smartphone, but that's actually a sunroof. And then you have a CD player. A lot of specifications here. When doing car reviews, these brochures are very, very handy because they have all the information from the factory. There we go. End of the brochure. And here are our paint chips. Actual paint chips, not printed paper. And as you can see, tons of different colors. Interior colors, you have light graphite, medium prairie tan, ivory, and midnight black. Alright, and that does conclude our look at the 1998 Lincoln Continental brochure. If you like this video and would like to see more like it, please comment down below. Also, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. And check out our Facebook page at facebook.com/neighborhoodcarreviews and our Instagram channel at BrensoJ1. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.